We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal since the price was here. We mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 18 or not. Then we mentioned if the price couldn't break 18, from there we can look for sell. All right, because we expected the price to drop. And after we get this reversal, I mentioned the Wiz reversing is very corrective, because we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. And even when we get this sharp move, we mentioned if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they need to be really careful, because in terms of the risk and reward, we cannot get a really good trade, right? And this is what we get. And here we could look for sell. And if anyone sold from here, right now, move, if they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even. All right. Because for me, I was interested to see the price, whether tag at least 18, then from there I look for sell. Right. But whenever we see this one, it was opportunity to look for sell, but as a short term. And if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, as we can see, the price almost, again, not almost, tag the lowest price of this correction. Whether the price is going to continue and drop, we are not really interested to look for sell at this point. The only things I'm looking for buy. I'm looking for the reversal. Because if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. This is what we're looking for. And we're looking for buy as a long term, and with the breakout of the 36, we're looking for 41 and 48. Whenever I say I'm looking for buy, it doesn't mean simply we will buy. We have to look for the trade setup. And every time I mention, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it either based on daily or lower time frame. But if it doesn't move in the upward direction, we should know how to manage it. And based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. And mostly we're looking for buy, because the sell is really short-term trade. And if you move to forward chart, and right now the question is, because as we can see, the price broke the previous low. If we put this low, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. But the only question is whether we should consider this one or not. Because if we don't consider this one, we can refer to the indicators as a divergence. But if we consider, we cannot look for the divergence. That's why. Now the question is, if this one turns to a corrective move, we can expect for the next drop and even extension. And this is the levels we can look for. But we are not really interested to look for sell at the lowest price of this correction at this point. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But we should know that even if we get any opportunity for buy, we can put this one in relative to this, or at least this one. That's mean the reversal as a sharp move following by breakout of the previous top, which is this one. And this one is really important for us. Then from there, we can look for 20 following by 22 as a target, because we can expect to see one move up, then the price drop, even this one till the extension. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But if it doesn't move in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade. And even if you want to keep the trade, at least move our stop loss to break even if we can. Right now, how to look for the next trade? Technically, we can consider this one in relative to this for the next drop, but we are not really interested to look for sell. One of the reasons is we are not going to sell at the lowest price of this correction, the bigger picture. The second reason, the only way is to put our entry below this, which is not a really good idea, because we cannot get the trade set up within this range. All right. Then if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. Either we see the continuation as a short move flag, or having entry above here is not a really good idea. Maybe we put our entry above this stop. All right. In case the price continues as a sharp move, and even if you want to put our entry above, this one is really risky. Anyway, we don't have really good trade setup for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.